Are you looking for a small action camera? In this video, I will show you the 5 best small action cameras based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Sony RX0 II. The RX0 II compresses the high-quality imaging technology from the RX series into an ultra-compact, robust and waterproof body. It offers internal movie recording 8 with electronic image stabilization and full pixel readout with no pixel binning to collect approximately 1.7 times the amount of data required for 4K video. The RX0 II's extra-rigid super duralumin body and ultra-compact dimensions make great shots easier to take even in the toughest situations. The RX0 II is also waterproof 2 down to 33 feet, without underwater housing and shockproof 3 to impact of drops to the ground from heights up to 6.5 feet. Despite its 15.3 MP5 high pixel count, the super high-speed image sensor boosts readout speed to the extent that the camera can achieve continuous shooting up to 16 fps 6. This lets you capture moments of fleeting beauty or facial expressions in an instant. The 4th product on the list is the Insta360 One R. One R Twin Edition transforms on the fly from a 360 cam to a 4K 60 frames per second wide-angle shooter. You'll always have the right tool to capture the action. Thanks to a new scene detection algorithm, your footage stays clear and steady even in low light. One R's invisible selfie stick feature lets you capture easy aerial angles and unique third-person perspectives with a flick of the wrist while using the dual-lens 360 mod. The One R app uses AI-powered FlashCut to find your best shots and edit them together on beat. FlashCut analyzes footage on theme, quality and time of capture to create cinematic clips that are ready to share. One R supports HDR capture for photo and video. Highlights, shadows, and everything in between come across just as you see them. After dark, turn on night shot to capture photos that stay natural, clear, and vibrant. The 3rd product on the list is the Apeman A100. The Apeman A100 Pro optimizes your recordings through the intelligent use of HDR, local tone mapping or noise reduction. This camera can convert images into realistic color reproduction from all angles and play videos with a more stable response time. It has a wireless remote control that you can put on your wrist and get convenient controls for hiking, biking, skiing, bungeeing and more. You can control the camera in the phone's app too, so you can share your meaningful moment with your friends immediately. The 2nd product on the list is the DJI Osmo Action. Dual Screens Osmo Action's dual screens allow you to capture it all with the touch of a button. A vivid front screen lets you frame yourself effortlessly in any setting, while the back screen delivers a crystal clear, hyper-responsive display. Osmo Action is waterproof at depths of up to 11 meters, making it the perfect underwater companion. Versatile batteries perform well even in extremely cold environments with temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. The quick switch button ensures modes and settings are easily and quickly accessible. It has multiple capabilities including options that let you flip between the front and back screen, change modes, and select custom settings. 5 voice commands make essential functions like filming, capturing photos, and powering down the device effortless. The 1st product on the list is the GoPro Hero9 Black. Shoot stunning video with up to 5K resolution, perfect for maintaining detail even when zooming in 20MP photo with Super Photo. With Super Photo, Hero9 Black can automatically pick all the best image processing for you. A new, larger rear touch screen with touch zoom on Hero9 Black and a dazzling new front display makes for easy framing and intuitive camera control. With Hypersmooth, you can experience the ultimate smoothness with our most advanced video stabilization ever. Hero9 Black lets you record mesmerizing time-lapse scenes as you move on the road, on foot, or anywhere else. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.